The big brand sale is on at OK Furniture and it's too good to miss. Enjoy massive savings on brands you know and love. And when you spend 2,999 or more, you'll stand a chance to win one of 20 shopping sprees worth 50,000 rands. Browse our catalog and grab your favorites before the 4th of May 2025. While stocks last, T's and C's apply.
It is good TV, it is good times with sports betting. Bafethu ayi bathi asivumeni bafethu asivumeni bafethu yazi sometimes ezinye izinto junior kumele uyivume into kufana yazi lento engikhuluma ngayo ifana nokuthi mawuhlanganisile lapha ufuna ukwenza idombolo uthi alivalela idombolo lapha lokho liyarisa lithi uthi alivalela liyarisa yabo so yeah well done to ilonto namasandawana. They did very well. They've shown why ngizothi bangama champions of ngizothi ama champion eBetway Premiership because of the performance that they're showing. Look, they play away against Steelers. They control the game from the first whistle. They play according to their tempo. The way of playing, by they do their build up very very well without no doubt. And yeah, we can say much, but asibavumeni mfethu.
Yeah, so mfethu ngoba man dala slam fan.
Yeah.
Yeah, mthobitso without to waste isikhathi. Yeah, I-ground inama fighter so.
Yeah.
Kunalento angithi kune build up at the back.
Yeah.
Whereby mhlambe I don't think ipace yakhona ifana ne-Elias State okanye in the midfield.
Yes.
The way Sundowns they play today bebadlala I think badlala according to ama half. Yabona lawa i3 on the ground kune build up kunala midfield whereby so yabona kuyacabanga kula State very dynamic speedy. You can't coach ila State coach wena so as a coach. Ngikhuluma ground in game in official game. We coach a ground in mhlambe training yabo. Well done to this boy Matthews, I think.
Yes.
We must start in a position, sort of a half winger, become a striker. On another side, he comes in. A lot of players need to learn. Every time he comes in, when he starts, he scores. Very good player, very dynamic, can shoot both left and right. He's got speed as well, advantage. Okay. And Orenas, I'm not too sure why he was not playing. Because when again another dimension at Sundowns, very dynamic the guy. He keep defense busy. Very busy. When we are overseas, they are Madrids. I think they were very very busy. Sometimes they were stretcher. Ngitshela ngegoli Sundowns the little Korili Sundowns. Upeke le pass. Bese upeke irun yakhe uRenas. Stretchy defense, best decision making. Sometimes you know that they don't cross the ball. I think it's a philosophy, identity. They hardly cross the ball. Ukate in, nepola walvala, and then he had to wait. And then last city Tino's always la pagati like boma penalty spot walala behind the defense. Well done to this boy who made us good to go in a continuity from his side. And I love what Allende did today. Allende and also Mkwena. Variation the game. Variation I want to go in variation a game in Sundowns. One Mkwena, we ask good is more of a holding midfield to Muntolandi Polum Landela Lona. This guy makes sure good the ground Ipola is circulator in all angles on the ground in Kulmangayo Allende. Very good passer, technically very good. Awareness as well, vision. He hardly lose the ball, Allende. And udlala pace and I love how Sundowns they did. They score, also they manage the game. You understand? And first half, yes.
Junior, you're going to play la. I want the whole South Africa to show respect to that boy. And I said this before, and I'm still going to say it again. Even tomorrow, I'm still going to say it. This boy, Mkwena, he's something else. Junior, that boy, he makes everyone to think. But the way he knows when to come to between the two center backs, get the ball, call Allende to come and get the ball, call Matthews, Mudiba comes inside play. You know, everyone knows Gutumkwena, Magaya Lapana, what is that they need to do. And he knows when to come to that center. You know, he's always in that center circle of the field where he controls everything. Changing. Maibuya ngaka right, uyisa ngaka left. Maibuya ngaka left, uyisa ngaka right. You know, it's been years. It's been years seeing a midfielder like that one that can play, that can play long passes, can take free kick, can control the ball. It's you hardly see a midfielder like that. A player that but it team Maka you can see the difference in the team. Good, you know what? It team ends. He knows when to play fast. When he knows when to cool up the game. Again, another player for me, I will always respect, and I love that boy. Umshishi, when he comes in, yonke into iyashintsha mfethu. Now he has another cousin.
Inegazi leya
Yeah, no. Now he has a cousin, man, Umshishi. And for me, Sundowns mfethu, they are showing ukuthi why they keep on pushing. Look at the goal Gasales. Juna, the weight of the pass.
Yeah.
The timing, the eyesight, I mean, eye contact with the Renas Marenza la run there, you wait to pass, the timing of putting that ball up here. Uzayikhuluma uthini mara?
Yeah, so mfethu singakhohlwa ne-Cape Town City. Cape Town City they sacrifice in this game. Playing without the striker. Udlala this guy Gonzalez on the left hand side, on the right badlala ngo-Roots. Playing far from one another. Any winging ngale le ngaselayinini, any winging ngapha. Right mina ngibawiza ngama-winger. I think it's a right forward player and left forward. And I think uye wayenza sure ukuthi I think ugcwalise midfield. Ngibonile adlala ngabo Petros, adlala ngoNodata, and also adlala ngoMakaringa. Makaringa on and off. Not to show he's an experienced player, we expect more from him. I think the coach in this game, because good to lose, but he didn't want to lose more. The way adlale ngakhona, I mean, angeke uzugcwalisa midfield kangaka uzosacrifice ungabi ne striker. How you gonna score if you don't have a striker? And funny enough, he's got speedy players on the wing. You want those players to put crossing for who? Because we don't have a striker. Any defense yabo, I think yellow. Yeah, Cape Town City namhlanje they were overworking feature. They did very well, these guys. It's a pity because they concede. They were playing against very good sides. Sundowns, I think everybody was on song today. And well done to the coach and well done to his team for being consistent. And anything ithandile mina just to compliment the pass le Yagasales. Let me say the goal overall. Mina mfethu ngithande ne run feature.
Yeah. Very good run.
Yeah, Iran. And asimka mfethu Sales. So ingwenya lapana ishaya pass yakanokusho. Very good pass mfethu. Weighing off the pass as usho. The vision there. You understand? And yeah, no, true. Akusinte obvious the second lapha. Because some players they will pass a far le lapho. There was Mdiba there on the far post. So I don't think somebody because some keeper lapha. Because it's a difference between pass. Asibe never so.
Tuna ukhumbule ukuthi skip imali eningi for lo muntu. So mela sibonise ukuthi uyaskip imali eningi. Sifuna amaphasa afana nalawa. Angene kuma pockets. Unokuthola phela na chance yokushaya net. But Juna, I've got a bit of a concern here. Yes, the team did very well. They've won Sundowns convincingly without no doubt. But here's my point here. And I want to ukutipeke. The way Ribeiro now is playing, I think they're compromising Ribeiro with Usales by coming in. Because Usales, all these pockets that Ribeiro used to use before. So Uba Usales ongenai. Ribeiro now is more on the side. So it's worrying me, Uguti, why coach can't find a way of saying both of you can use those pockets. The other one must use the pockets from the left side. The other one must use the pockets from the right side. Because Usales looks like he's got that freedom of getting left and right of those pockets. And then now say limit in movement because now I feel good. I'm no more seeing the Ribeiro low where he will get to those pockets, have combination play, take a shot, score a goal. Now he's more wide. Now says Bono Ribeiro, so Gumundo Chesayo, Abuya Zomaka. And it's worrying me because for me, he's the thinker of the team. So I think they're shifting now. They put that brain Sales to be a thinker because Sales, I see him getting to those pockets and try to do things. But yeah, I don't know. I don't know what to think.
Yeah, I saw him. Mini answer the one must die. Actually, I think Ribeiro is supposed to play. Sales come from the bench because you can't play with them both, especially when you find a very good team that is technically very aware, technically good. Bazokwazi ukuthi bafunde the situation very early. Phela there are games whereby this Sales guy can't raise his hand.
Yeah.
And there are games that this Ribeiro guy can raise his hand. So I think one phakathi kwabo I think ukuphendula ukuthi kule position leyo Sales ayidlalayo who must play. I think it's Ribeiro. You understand? I rather playing Umshishi and also now Ribeiro and allow both of them cheating.
Yeah.
Because every time when you play Sundowns, you worried about them. Not to say they're gonna be worried about you. Sundowns, as you said, so always say, and the statement that you've mentioned, so it's very important. How they attack is how they defend.
Yeah.
Very close to each other, and they attack as a team. In fact, what I love, namhlanje futhi enye into kule game. I think baye baseta ipace yabo. How they play today. Baseta ipace yabo. Badlala ngendlela abafuna ukudlala ngayo. I mean the identity, the philosophy, well done to Sundowns. But the Cape Town City themselves as well. They didn't respond. We need to be realistic. Cape Town City themselves, they didn't respond. So.
Yeah, Sundowns, they dominate the game. And look at how much changes awenzile futhi laphana. I mean, seeing uLentuzana Mshishi coming in, Adams coming in, Mudau coming in. Yakubonisa ukuthi no man, Masego coming in, Ukoza coming in. You know, we are a refresher team based on how they're controlling the game. And you know, I'm happy that ama changes wakhe wenzayo, he makes sure that spinal cord is still standing laphayana, akashintshanga in terms of change laphana kakhulu. But Juna, I will say well done Gabuyelo. They did very well, and yeah, they're true champions.
Yeah, so to be quite honest, yeah, it is telling before so rep now. Cape Town City so ngibona relegation zone. And like from go number from our team from go number 10 kuya phansi.
Yeah.
It's different I see. It's just that obvious ngaba this thing with only 2 games left. Some teams 3 games amanye 4.
Yeah.
Cape Town City so to see them surviving or what?
Junior, you know, I was checking my stats last season. After they've played 25 games, they're about number 5, Cape Town City. Go season 23 and 24. And then this season, same number of games, but number 15. And then when I check, the Chiefs Lapana at 30 points. I'm looking at Richards Bay at 26. The difference is 4 points between the two. There are teams in between, but the more perale, Lapana, Cape Town City. Look, I don't think they will survive. I don't think they will survive. I'll be honest. I don't think they will survive, even though bazodlala ama playoffs. But I don't think they will survive. Even ama playoffs, they will be hammered because the way they're playing, Juna, they've shown tonight. You peg the midfield. But Maulu wini bola la midfielder uzokora kanjani because you are using the width. There's no one who's entering the box. So for me, the way badlala ngakhona, I see them they will go down.
Yeah, so it is complementary as the Brazil fit.
Yeah.
The Brazilian Sundowns elizindima.
Yeah, of course.
I think we've been telling people, hey, manje ngoba ipolitiki yase South Africa abantu abalifuni kulizivara. Let us compliment Mamelodi Sundowns. For me, I think they've already won the league. One of the best teams so in Africa as a continent. Yeah. Like so it doesn't happen. You like it or not, you can go around the world. I be often it club win the league title so many times this way. And let's compliment this guy Caruso. Yes, he's not one of the for me. There's Rulani Mukwena, there's Pitso Msimane, and coaches that made Sundowns. Especially Upito building a foundation and Rulani come and pick up the pieces and also I touched it to another level. But let us compliment to this guy. One is an international coach. But the identity, the philosophy, and taking out, Maunga check how the team plays. Now they are on the Champions League too, of the final, and already for me, league by winning, and we like it or not so. It's Sundowns, they are themselves to be blamed if they lose games. Look at the. Just we need a shift, right decision from the coach. We've got a centre back that is underrated in South Africa, came and play Lebusa. Look at how solid they are. Him and Mkwen and Kekana at the back. And also Mdiba bringing back Mdiba. And you understand? And now Mshishi is back as well. So also on the bench, I understand. So for you, do you agree with me when I say Sundowns are their best team in South Africa?
Junior, not in South Africa, in Africa. Sundowns, they put themselves, when they see themselves in a difficult position, it's because of board herself, they put them themselves in that difficult position because the way, well done to the coach. We will always put pressure to any coach that is coaching in our league. Yeah, and I like that. I think he's taking it positive, not negative. This coach, because he can see where he made mistakes, try to correct. Look at the issue. Libusa has been out. Kudlala uLontuzana uSuarez. Now Libusa is there. You can see the defense is solid. Look at uLontuzana uMudiba there. Umudiba at some point bebamdlalisa la middle lane. Now he's back in his position. Look at the understanding between uLibusa now Umudiba. When Umudiba is up, uLibusa go to cover in lapaya. So he's a human being now. I think he learns when he watches games to say, Isani, yes, I made a mistake. And some people, they've seen that and then they're correcting it. But well done to the coach. It's not easy to come to a team like Mamelodi Sundowns that's been winning the leagues for the past 7 years. And even now, we are driving that pass in to go and get that trophy. And again, in the final of the Champions League. Yeah, well done to the coach. Well done, Gabrielo.
Yeah, namhlanje so I think it's a rapper manje. It's really very exciting with goals and it's nice. Sundowns as well, they did very well. Yeah, well done, siyabonga mfethu, and yeah, bafethu, see you next week nakanjani bafethu, cup final nakanjani Orlando Pirates Kaizer Chiefs. Singabiza ngani? It's a second
derby.
Second derby. Yeah, siyabonga iDiski TV, iDiski Time. Amen.
For breaking news, go to itdiskitimes.co.za.
Shapunjan bafowethu igama lami uLindo Pep, the best analyst in the country. Please don't forget to subscribe to iDiski TV. Danko.
This is Bongane Benedict Vilakazi, they call me so. Niyazi bafethu, Amakhosi for life, they are back in winning ways. Please, siyacela ukuthi subscribe iDiski TV.